code is DDW0844. Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Janet Cardenas. I am 40 years old. My height is 155 centimeter. My weight is 63 kilogram. I am high school graduate. I am Roman Catholic. I am married. One have daughter, 17 years old. I have 8 siblings, 4 girls, 4 boys. I have experience working as a domestic helper in Kuwait for 4 years since 2010 to 2014. My main duties is to take care of 5 and 3 years old kids. The house is flat house, had 3 rooms and 2 toilets. Do simple cooking for Arabic food, do laundry, and wash dishes. I am willing to accept the job, take care of the baby, take care of elderly. I'm willing to take 1 day of a month to my employer. If you give me a chance to work for your family, I will work hard. Responsible, I will treat your child as my own. I am fast learner, got initiative. Thank you, ma'am and sir.